Most of the people think hair system will look fake because of the idea itself. But the truth is bad result doesn't come from a hair system. It comes from the wrong matching. When men start this journey, they only want two things: to look confident and look natural. So that's why today in this video, I'm going to breaking down the most important factor which is responsible for you to look confident and natural, which is color and density matching. And this is the biggest factor which will decide that your hair system will look real or just a piece put on your head, especially here in UAE where there is too much heat and humidity, where sunlight and grooming standard leave no space for mistake. First thing, color is just not black and brown. Let's clear one thing first. Matching is just not black and brown. It has to be go deeper. We look at shade, undertone and texture and how your hair system is going to react with the sunlight. If you have gray hair, then blending should be perfect. If your sides doesn't match with your top, then it will look fake immediately. Hair restoration is not about the product. It is about the person who is wearing that hair system. Some people want a big change and some people want a subtle improvement. The right approach is simple. Understand your natural look and match it perfectly. Now let's talk about the density mistake. There is where the most people go wrong. A lot of men think more hair, better look. But that is not true. Too much density look fake. Too little look weak. The goal has to be make it balance. Your density should match with your age and the sides of your hair and your natural hair of the sides. And that's how it should be blended. We always ask, what is your lifestyle? What is your goal? Because the right density makes the system disappear. Now let's talk about UAE reality check. The UAE bright sunlight, constant movement and heat is where the perfect matching reflects out. A good result should work for everyone in meeting, outdoors or in a close conversation. This is why the consultation matter more than guessing, because of your scalp, your routine and your environment. Now let's talk about confidence equals to result. Confidence doesn't just happen. It comes from the trust. You trust your hair when someone stands close. You trust it when you style it quickly and step out. The trust should come from the correct decision at the start. In this region, grooming is very serious. Every detail matters. Gray percentage, texture and density. If it is only look good in photos but in real life it fails, then it is not a good result. Real result should be believable. Now with the ending of this video, I'm going to tell you just one thing. Your hair should match your density, your age and your real hairs, and it should be part of your lifestyle. You don't have to worry about you are wearing a hair system. It should be disappear from your life and give you the transformation you always wanted, and you should be confident in your life. So if you want to get the best hair system, then Yalla Hair is available for you. If you want to book your free consultation where we will test your scalp and tell you what should work for you, then you can visit us anytime. Under this video, you can find out our number where you can call and book your free consultation today. And till then, take care, because I will be back with another interesting video with some another interesting questions. My name is Lubana and you were watching Yalla Hair Salon official YouTube channel.